I'm in the bad airflow now. I hate being stuck behind a truck. If I stay just here, then I should be able to step out and get past it, because I've got a good view from here. So we'll see what goes on. Airflow is buffeting me a bit. Not badly, but enough to just sort of knock you around a little. Now there is room for me to do just that. And get some clean air again. Bavaria is a very green area. It's a lovely place to live. I'll miss it when I move down to Spain. It has some amazing roads, but I'm sensing that some of the roads I've been looking at in Spain, and some of the ones that I remember, are equally as epic. I'm going to be running tours from Cadiz, so keep an eye out. When everything's all ready, we'll launch it and get it all flowing and get it ready, and then you'll be welcome to come and join the slug riding around and camping in Spain. And what I'm going to do is, it's going to be a mixture between camping and hotels. So dependence on where it is will depend where you're going to be sleeping that night. Now I'm going to do tours for 1 and 2 up. You'll be able to hire a bike as well. The only thing you'll need to bring with you is your riding gear. But if you're stuck for riding gear, I can help you there as well. There'll be a number of sizes and options available. So the next phase of my life is getting ready to start. I'm quite excited about it, so I'm looking forward to it. It promises to be exciting. That's one of the advantages of being on the outside lane. Sitting along that little dotted line means you get to step out and go squirt past quickly and safely, of course, because you get to have a much better view. And that's one of the advantages of Sam. She's a lovely tall bike, and I can look over the top of the cars in front, and I can also see past them. So She gives me the best of both worlds. I tell you what, I've never been here. Let's go and have a look. Fuffin' nothing. It don't mean a thing if you ain't got that swing. Bop 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 dee dee bop. Again, a little town. There's across Bavaria you see lots of little towns almost identical, and it's nice. It actually gives you a good identity, although it does help you get lost very quickly, but it does give the area an identity, and they are keen to try and keep the identity typically Bavarian, and I gotta admire them for that. So here we had a little sign going, almost nationals, but it's telling me I've got to be careful still, which of course I always am. Now we can go. It's a nice bit of road. And we got a Bavarian bend. So it don't mean a thing if you ain't got that swing. Love it. And of course, one of the good things about Sam, she's very flickable, so you can exaggerate the swing.